In a world where digital wallets are becoming more essential than physical ones, we're on the brink of a financial revolution. Keep watching as we will discuss about the finance trends you can't ignore in 2024 and navigate through the innovations reshaping our financial landscape. Number 5. Cryptocurrency integration in everyday transactions. Walking into your favorite coffee shop and instead of pulling out cash or a card, you simply scan a QR code with your phone to pay with digital currency. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the reality of today's financial landscape. The integration of cryptocurrency into daily transactions has been one of the most significant shifts in 2024. Businesses, large and small, are now adopting crypto payment systems. They're not just trendy tech companies. Even local bakeries and bookstores are getting on board. The reason? It's fast, secure, and often comes with lower transaction fees than traditional banking methods. Plus, it opens up a global market, as digital currencies know no borders. Behind this seamless transaction experience are the crypto payment gateways. These platforms act as the middleman between consumers and merchants, ensuring that the payment process is smooth. They convert cryptocurrencies into the local currency in real time, so businesses don't have to worry about the volatility of the crypto market. This trend is not just about convenience, it's about empowerment. People who previously didn't have access to traditional banking services are now able to participate in the global economy. All they need is a smartphone and an internet connection. As we move further into 2024, we're seeing a world where digital currencies are as common as debit cards. And with the continuous improvements in security and user-friendliness, this trend is only going to grow. So next time you're about to make a purchase, consider the crypto option. It's not just the future, it's the present. This shift towards digital currency is reshaping our financial habits and the way we think about money. It's a trend that's gaining momentum, and it's one you certainly can't ignore in 2024. Number 4. The surge of decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. Let's take a moment to think about a world where you have complete control over your finances without ever needing to step into a bank. This is the power of decentralized finance, commonly known as DeFi. It's a system that operates without the traditional central authority, and it's changing the way we interact with money. DeFi platforms are built on blockchain technology, which means they're secure, transparent, and operate 24/7. These platforms offer a variety of financial services from borrowing and lending to insurance and asset trading. The beauty of DeFi is that it's open to anyone with an internet connection. There's no need for credit checks or a bank account, making financial services more accessible than ever before. This surge in DeFi has been a game changer, especially for those who have been underserved by traditional banks. It's not just about accessibility. It's also about earning potential. DeFi platforms often offer higher interest rates on savings and investments than conventional banks. Plus, with smart contracts, transactions are executed automatically, reducing the risk of human error and fraud. As we continue through 2024, DeFi is not just a trend, it's a movement. It's empowering people to take charge of their financial destiny. With its continued growth, DeFi could very well redefine banking as we know it, making financial freedom a reality for people around the globe. So whether you're saving for the future, investing in your dreams, or simply looking for a better way to manage your money, DeFi platforms are worth exploring. Number 3. AI and machine learning in personal finance management. In the realm of personal finance, a quiet revolution is taking place. It's not about flashy new currencies or radical banking models. It's about the intelligence that's now embedded in the very tools we use to manage our money. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are at the forefront, turning the tedious task of budgeting into a seamless, almost effortless activity. These technologies learn from our financial behaviors, adapt to our unique circumstances, and provide personalized advice on how to save, invest, and spend. They're not just algorithms. They're like financial advisors that fit in our pockets. With AI, you can get real-time insights into your spending habits, receive alerts about unusual transactions, and even predict future expenses. Machine learning takes it a step further by analyzing vast amounts of financial data to uncover trends and opportunities that would be impossible for a human to find. It means that investment tools can now forecast market movements with a higher degree of accuracy, helping users to make more informed decisions about where to put their money. The impact of AI on personal finance management is profound. It's making financial literacy more accessible, giving people the confidence to take control of their finances. As we navigate through 2024, these smart technologies are not just nice-to-have features. They're essential tools for anyone looking to make the most of their money. Managing your finances is no longer just about balancing a checkbook. It's about harnessing the power of AI to create a brighter financial future for yourself. And that's a trend that's not just worth watching, it's worth being a part of. Number 2. Sustainable and ethical investing. Investing is no longer just about the financial return. It's about making a positive impact on the world. This shift in investor sentiment is driving a significant rise in sustainable and ethical investing, particularly in the realm of ESG, environmental, social, and governance. These three pillars have become critical in evaluating the sustainability and ethical impact of an investment. Environmental criteria consider how a company performs as a steward of nature. Social criteria examine how it manages relationships with employees, suppliers, customers, and communities. Governance deals with the company's leadership, executive pay, audits, internal controls, and shareholder rights. The influence of ESG factors on investment decisions is profound. Investors are increasingly channeling their funds into companies that prioritize sustainability, social responsibility, and strong governance. This trend is not just a moral choice, it's a strategic one. Studies have shown that companies with high ESG scores often outperform the market in the long run. They tend to be more resilient, better managed, and more forward-thinking. Moreover, ESG investing is pushing companies to improve their practices. As investors demand higher standards, companies are motivated to reduce their environmental footprint, improve labor policies, and adopt transparent governance practices. This, in turn, can lead to a more sustainable economy. As we look at the financial landscape of 2024, ESG investing stands out as a powerful trend. It's not just shaping the market, it's shaping the future. By investing in companies that are committed to positive change, investors are helping to build a world that values people and the planet alongside profit. ESG investing is more than a trend. It's a pathway to a more sustainable and ethical world. And that's something you can't afford to ignore in 2024. Number 1. The expansion of digital currencies by central banks. As we navigate the financial currents of 2024, there's a new wave that's gaining strength: the rise of digital currencies developed by central banks. These digital currencies are poised to redefine the essence of money and its flow across the global economy. Central banks around the world are exploring, and in some cases already implementing, their own digital currencies. These are not cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They are digital forms of a country's existing currency, backed and issued by the central bank itself. This move is a response to the digitalization of the economy, the need for faster and cheaper transactions, and the desire to maintain control over the monetary system. The potential benefits are significant. Digital currencies can make transactions instantaneous and accessible to everyone, even those without access to traditional banking. They can also enhance security and reduce the costs associated with printing and managing physical money. But it's not just about efficiency, it's about innovation. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, could enable new types of financial products and services, integrate with smart contracts, and even change the way monetary policy is implemented. They could transform the landscape of international trade, making cross-border payments faster and less expensive. As we look ahead, the expansion of digital currencies by central banks could be one of the most transformative trends in finance. It's a development that's reshaping the very infrastructure of how money is created, distributed, and used. And as this trend continues to unfold, it's clear that it's not just a fleeting phenomenon. It's the blueprint for the future of money. So, as we continue to witness the evolution of these digital currencies, one thing is certain: the financial world of tomorrow will be very different from today, and it's a change that we all need to be prepared for. The expansion of digital currencies by central banks is not just a trend to watch. It's a trend that will shape the very fabric of our financial system in 2024 and beyond. We've just scratched the surface of finance trends you can't ignore in 2024. If you're ready to dive deeper like this video, drop a comment below and hit that subscribe button.